Welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm going to use a product of Tupperware that I've had sitting on my shelf for over a year now and haven't even used. It's the Tupperware 4-in-1 cooker. And I'm going to do some rice in it. So let's bring you in a little closer to show you how I'm going to do it. 4-in-1. And I'm just going to use it for making the rice. Make sure there's nothing in the bottom. So I'm going to use this bottom one. You can use it as a steamer, rice cooker, noodle. It's combining all of our big products into one. So I got some of this yellow rice. Cut it open. Put it in there. I'm going to break it up a little. Probably already said that. Oh, it smells awesome already. Okay, I have some turkey stock, but you can use just water if you choose. Put that in. I'm going to add a little bit of water to that. Whoops. I'm going to fill it right up to the line down there at the bottom. I'm going to stir it up a little. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Now you can get this rice at the dollar store. I suggest if you get it that you stockpile on it. I buy $5 worth at a time. Okay, so now when we're doing our rice, you use this container part and you put that in there like so. And then you're going to use this one with the holes. And you're going to put... Okay, I'm going to put this in the microwave for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. So I was just talking to Marion, my district manager, and she said I was to do, for different kinds of rice, there's different times. So this is, it was 5 minutes on high and then you go 15 on medium. But I did 10. Okay, so it's still... It's nice and hot, but it's not completely done yet. So now I'm just gonna run my hand through that. Stir it around for a second, and then I'm going to put this lid back on, and then I'm gonna put it on medium. Set my temperature in the microwave on medium for 15 minutes, and then we'll be right back. So while that's cooking, it took me a minute to figure out how to make a different, I didn't even know I could do that with the power level. So I had to Google it, LG, stovetop, microwave, how to change the settings. So it brought me up the PDF file, and all I do is I put in my time that I want, then I hit the power setting, and then for medium it's 2, there's 2 and 3 and so on. So and then I hit start, and it started working on a medium heat. Oh, that's easy. So if you didn't know how to make your microwave at medium heat, I suggest OK Google works great, and find your PDF file on it and check it out. Alright, I'll be back when this is done. I had to share. So let's check this out. I'm just going to push the handles down to lift it up. It smells good. Oh wow! Look, it's done. Ah! Wow, thank you, Marion, for all your help. I thought I stuck way too much water in there. Look at that. And it's perfect. I love it. I didn't have to get my little machine out and all that. So I'm just gonna let it vent. Work through this together. And I'm so geeked. I can use my microwave to cook the rice now instead of plugging in the Cuisinart. And it bubbles up and goes everywhere. It's a pain in the butt. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and always thank you for letting me do my experimenting with this channel. I love using my Tupperware, and I'm so glad that I can use the 4-in-1 now. I can also do pastas in there. I can cook my meat like how I do in the stack cooker. I can make cakes in here. I just gotta start using it. All right, everyone. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a great day. Bye.